Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store because of this error, something happened on our end. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to use WhatsApp website. So you can go to the official website. The link is provided in the video description. Click on download and then you can run this exe file. And over here, if you see install button, try to install it from here and then check. If that does not work, you can even try WhatsApp beta version. So you can try this, check if you're able to install this one or not. Still not working. The next step is to make sure date, time zone is correct. At the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, you can turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, you can turn it on. And then scroll down, click on sync now. If you receive any error during the sync, click on sync now multiple times. Once you see this tick, now go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Select the right country and then check. Still not working. The next step is to clear clear cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store, and now you can try to install WhatsApp and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset Store app. Now for this, type in Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down, click on terminate first, and then once you hit terminate, now click on repair. Once the repair is done, now you can check. Still not working. You can even reset. After the reset, you can open Store and then check. Still not working. Delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder, open the packages folder. Now over here, scroll down and find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete this, and then try to relaunch Store and then try to install WhatsApp. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in this list. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere, you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click on Microsoft Store install service. Again set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go to Store and then try to install. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will re-register all the Microsoft Store apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors in red color like this, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Once it is complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Try installing it from the library or downloads. So open Microsoft Store and then go to downloads option. Here at the bottom left, here you can see downloads. Go to downloads, and in downloads, if you see WhatsApp over here, you can try to install WhatsApp from here. So sometimes installing it from the downloads work. So you can, if you find WhatsApp over here, you will see download button over here. You can install it. In my case, it is already installed. You can even go to library. At the bottom left here, you can see this library option, and you can also try to install it from the library. If you find WhatsApp in the library, find it and then try to install it from here. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now for this, you can copy the first command. The commands are provided in the Video description, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, you can copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. And then you can launch it and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command. Paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next is to run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl in Windows search box, click on it, and then go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked over here, and then hit apply. Apply is important, and then click on OK, and then you can check. Next step is to update Windows. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security. Click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Sorry. And then go to Advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer, open Store, and then try to install WhatsApp. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation Tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation Tool. Click on Download now, and then run this exe file. Now, once you run this exe file, then you have to click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish. Now let this close automatically. Go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Setup file. Click on Yes to allow. Click on Next. Click on Accept. Over here you can see Ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer. After the installation, you have to restart your PC, log into the computer, and then you can open Store, and then you can try to install WhatsApp, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this app successfully, and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.